Welcome! Today I'm going to make some eggy toast. What you need for this recipe is one egg, or two if they are small, an onion, chives, pepper and salt, and some mayo. Cut your onion in small pieces. And bake them in a pan with a little bit of butter while your eggs are boiling. When your onion is brown and your eggs are hard, peel the eggs and put them in a bowl. Add the onion, chives, pepper and salt, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of mayo. Smash everything together with a fork. And now you have a nice eggy spread to put on your toast. Toast. Very good.